have a red and green Weltmeister accordion. This accordion is made in Germany. It has 30 keys in the treble with 60 bass buttons with 2 reeds in the treble. We have 2 middle reeds with 3 switches on the treble side. One of those is a dupe. So this is what the switches sound like. This is the clarinet. And this is your musette. The bass sounds like this. It's a very nice lightweight accordion. It has a beautiful grill. The colors are beautiful, red and green. It's very light. It has a nice musette sound. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.